Right. Oh, where's my light? Right. Taking this off today. Gonna try and cut some replacement plywood for this, what, MDF sort of stuff? What is it? I don't know what it's called. Particle board? Anyway. What's that? Wonder what in there is. Hello. Yeah, gonna take one of these, take this off, put some stuff over it, and cut new ones. Same thing for the one at the back. Did a little video yesterday on TikTok of doing some of the foil insulation, and you can see some extra bits of what I do over there if you're interested. Cool, let's get started. First step, take this off. Nice. Next up, find the right size one of these and go at it. Alright, start with this one. Cool, and we're off. Next up I've got to find all those pieces that came pinging off at me. Right, so I just laid this out on the new bit of ply I've got. It's quite wide, so it wouldn't fit on a 4-foot piece. It goes a little bit further down, but I've added a little bit extra insulation at the bottom. So we've had a chat, and I think the best way is to cut it down all the way and see how it fits. So I've a bit longer than the mounting points and a bit longer than the original piece. This is the bit that you just saw me take off, and it won't fit on here alongside the other one. However, I might have some other offcuts that'll fit on okay. Sharpening a pencil DT teacher style. Found another bit to fit the side door, so just penciled that on as well. Time to cut it out with a jigsaw. Right, we cut both of these. So now we have basically copies of both these old ratty pieces of wood. This one's a little bit longer at the bottom to help cover up that bit of insulation I put on. Not that it matters too much. It's time to drill some holes now. That's holes cut and bits sanded down, so let's see if it fits in there now. Right, here's a handy little life hack. Don't hurry up, you little poppers. Then you just find them right where you left them. Right, moment of truth. Hold on a second, I'm going to put insulation on the back of this. What an idiot. Alright, plastic cut with some contact adhesive now. I cut it slightly away from the edges, so it's going to fit easier hopefully. Cool, that should do it hopefully. Doesn't look too pretty, but the force from the other bit should hold it down fine.
The old one, isn't it?
As long as it fits. One in. Let's try and get the corners in first. Oh, you don't want to go in, do you? Don't we want to stick in? Thank you.
You got too much.
I don't know how these even held it in the first place, to be honest. Right, gonna need a plan B, I think. So basically these things, I'll get a little close up in a sec. These things I expect the piece of wood to be about 2 mil. And that means that the piece of wood goes through. Oh my god. Right, so basically that thing needs to go through the wood. Needs to go through the wood and hit into the little bit of plastic that I'm trying to get it into. Within like this space here between the arrowhead, if you like, and the base of it, or whatever it is, the big bit. However, my wood in itself is about 1 mil off of that end bit. Then I've got insulation behind it, so it's just coming into here and just bouncing out. So I need it to get lodged behind there and it won't come out. So I don't think I can buy a longer one of these. I'm gonna have the same trouble on the back as well after trying to fix that one. So I think we're gonna have to buy a riv nut, like a riveter and riv nuts to go with it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a riveter, put some riv nuts in, and that'll mean I have a thread so I can put some like roofing screws or something in. So yeah, I'll put a riv nut around all these holes. But I was going to need to anyway, because I need to put a riv nut in the floor to like adjust it to a normal bolt thread, because at the moment it's some weird metric thing. So yeah, take this off for now, and then I'll have to get one on order on the internet or find one at Screw Fix or something. Wood looks way better though. So, now brought into question for me how I'm going to do the roof. Might be fine, might not be a problem. Originally my plan up here was to pull it down, put some insulation behind it. I think that's going to be really important, the roof insulation. There's just going to be a layer of foil. I also wanted to cover the top grey bit with a nice coloured fabric. So, I'm going to take it off now. I'm not going to do anything to it, but I just want to see how it all works. Also, this light's broken, so it would be good to get that fixed. Taking the bulb out and that looks fine. Maybe I'll get my multimeter out and see what happens. Either way, don't work. I just thought I'd get my multimeter out quick and have a look. So, yeah, nothing across the terminals here. 0.05. I haven't flipped that because I'm filming on selfie camera. Now I'll put it to on, and is it saying there? Yeah, 12. I got my long way around, but 12 volts. So it's running voltage through there. The bulb looks fine, but evidently it's not. That's annoying. All the clips off. Well, bar one I've just spotted. But yeah, I can get this down. There's loads of room under there. There's a whole roof, isn't there? Of course. So no worries about tolerance on that. But look, these bolts are like dogged up trying to get in. Oh, that's annoying. I've rounded off every screw up here and I can't get it out. So I might have to drill it in future when I'm ready to. But managed to get a look underneath. We got loads of room up there, so plenty of room to put some insulation and potentially wrap some fabric around, so that's pretty cool. I've got a pot of these to put back on now, so I won't film that. I'll leave you guys to it. Thanks for watching.